Guys, I'm Jero Luna here, and this is it. It has been delivered. My Dragon Fireworks products. Now, let's open the box. A knife. Yeah, this is my knife to open it. Yeah, this is, it's proudly Philippine made in the Philippines. Open. You box. Almost there. Yay, it's opened. Ta-da! Dragon Fireworks. See? How about open it some more? Open it some more. Open it some more. Almost there. Sorry guys. Ta-da! See? It's inside. Ta-da! Mommy. My Dragon Fireworks products. Ignore my mother. She speaks Filipino. It's a dialect language in the Philippines. Seriously. See, ta-da! So this one, Dragon Beast. High altitude spinning whirling silver beast. Contains 6 beasts in each pack. And then Dragon's Fairy Sticks. Looks like Dragon Lance. Because Dragon Lance and Dragon's Fairy Sticks are both, sparkless. Yeah. Yeah. No, so this is it. See? Dragon Beast and Dragon's Fairy Sticks. Yeah, so bye guys. See you on my next Dragon Fireworks reviews or my other fireworks reviews. Bye.